Here we will start exercise 2.6. In that we will see the question number 1. Find 0.2 into 6, 8 into 4.6 and 2.71 into 5. So simply we have to multiply here. So 0.2 into 6, that will be the 1.2, and 8 into 4.6. So simply we have to multiply it. So we will get the answer 36.8, and 2.71 into 5. So we will have the answer 13.55. Now see the question number 2. Find the area of a rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. So as you know, what is the formula of here we have to find the area. So what is the formula of area of rectangle? So length we are having, that is 5.7, and breadth we are having, that is 3, and the formula of area of rectangle, that is length into breadth. So here we have to put the value of length and breadth in place of the length and breadth. So we will find the area. So area equal to 5.7, that is the length, into breadth, that is 3 centimeter. So 5.7 into 3. So here we have to multiply 5.7 into 3. So we will have the answer 17.1. So therefore that is the area, 17.1 square centimeter. That is the answer. Now see the next question number 4. A two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 kilometer and 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 10 liters of petrol? So here we have to find the distance. So distance covered in 1 liter petrol, that is 55.3 kilometer. Distance covered in 10 liters of petrol. So here we have to multiply 55.3 by the 10. So we will have the answer 553 kilometer. Now we have to see the exercise 2.7. In that, see the question number 1. 0.4 divided by 2, 0.35 divided by 5. So these are the question that we have to simply divide. So 0.4 divided by 2, in decimal we also can, when we have to remove the decimal point, so we also can write 0.4 as 4 by 10 and divided by 2. So here when we have to change the divide sign, so in place of that we can write multiplication sign. So 4 by 10, and we have to write 1 by 2. So 2 is there in the numerator, but after that we have to, when after changing the sign, we can write 1 by 2. So here we can cancel 2 to the 4 and divided by 10. So 2 divided by 10, as we will have the answer 0.2. Now next question is 0.35 divided by 5. So we can write 0.35 as 35 divided by 100 divided by 5. When we have to change the divide sign into the multiplication, so also we can write the reciprocal of 5, that is 1 by 5. And we can cancel 35 by the 5. 5 7s are 35. So here also can write 1 by 100 into 7. So also can write 0.07. That is the answer. Now next one is 2.48 divided by 4. So 2.48 also can write 248 divided by 100 divided by 4. So when we have to change the divide sign into the multiplication, 4 also can write in the reciprocal of the 4 will be the 1 by 4. So we can cancel, that is 248 by the 4. So we will have the answer, that is 62. So 62 divided by 100, in decimal also can write 0.62. And as it is last one, that is 65.4 divided by 6. So 65 point also can write like 6 when we have to remove the decimal point. So we can write 654 divided by 10 and divided by 6. So when we have to change the divide sign into the multiplication, also can write the reciprocal of 6, that is 1 by 6. And we can cancel 654 by the 6, and we will have the answer, that is 109. So 109 divided by 10 also can write 10.9. So that is the answer. Now next question number 6. A vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 km and 2.4 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? So here we are having the solution. 2.4 liters of petrol is required to cover 43.2 km distance, as that is given in the question. A vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 km and 2.4 liters of petrol. So distance is there 43.2 and the petrol is given in the liter, that is 2.4. So here we have to find how much distance will it cover in 1 liter. So here we have to find the distance. So 1 liter of petrol will be required to cover 43.2. So here we also can write 43.2 divided by 2.4. So here we have to divide, and it is given in the kilometer, and so 432, here we have to remove the decimal point. So 432 divided by 24 kilometer. So here we can cancel 432 divide by the 24. So we will have the answer 18 kilometer, because 2.4 liters of petrol is required to cover 43.2 kilometer distance. So 1 liter of petrol will be required to cover 43.2. So here we have to divide 43.2 by the 2.4. So we will have the answer 18 kilometer. Hence the required distance will be 18 kilometer.